Hello my friends, Rune again. I bought a new airsoft pistol. ASG MK 23 HMK replica. This one is copy after the Tokyo Marui, and shoots 6mm airsoft PVs. Mostly plastic, not much energy, 0.7 joule, and no fiber optic sights. The safety should work, but you have to cock the hammer first, then you can put it on safe. This is the first handling I do with it. So that's a nice wide trigger blade, and you don't have to pull the trigger all the way into the frame like you have to on some of the other airsoft guns. It is not a lightweight trigger pull, but I think I can use it with my normal trigger finger. I will try it and see. Magazine release is here, push down, and then the magazine slides out. Without the magazine, this is very light. Most of the weight is in the magazine. It is a greengas magazine. Fill it through that fill port there. Here you can see the valve stem, and it has a super light spring in it already. Magazine should hold, what was it, 28 BBs. And you pull down the magazine follower, and then there will be a gap here that you put the BBs down into. I will do so off camera because I think it can be a bit fiddly. It also comes with a MOC suppressor, MOC silencer, but it has a barrel inside, which I think will increase the velocity. I will try it first without the silencer and then with the silencer after. I don't expect much from it actually, but it should be fairly accurate, and they recommend using 0.3 gram for best accuracy, but I don't think they will fly very fast. They say you can rack the slide, but it is not a blowback pistol. So, but you can take it apart if you want to get access to the hop-up. You have to take the slide off. I'll try it first just as it is and see how it goes. I bought it because this thing will work both in the summertime and in the winter time, and from videos I've seen it should be very silent. I can use it out on my balcony without annoying my neighbors. I have a brand new bottle. I just removed the ring holding the lid. Ultra Air green gas, and I want to use some silicone spray on some certain points down here, like down that hole where the gas comes out. Maybe a little bit on the rear of the valve there. This model has been made for a very long time, so God knows how long it has been sitting on the shelf before I bought it. Take some of this silicone oil on the fill valve. So, and that is all you need. You don't need to hold it crazy long, you fill it up within a few seconds. So let me load in some BBs and we can see what sort of velocity it gives. I have both from SRC 0.2 gram, and I have King Arms 0.28 and 0.4 Devil Blaster. I also have 0.49 from Novridge, and I have steel balls and also aluminium balls, but I will try those that I have on the table here first and see. Let's see how it goes. I will also see how tired I will be in my fingers, since this is a well, double action type trigger pull. By the way, Novridge has his own version of this, which everybody is saying it is some of the best airsoft pistols made. It has a metal slide on his and an adjustable hop from the top. You don't have to disassemble it. And you can also put a rail on the top here if you want to put a red dot, and also a rail underneath here on the Novridge version, the SSX23. So yeah, today I will just test it out with some velocities and maybe do some plinking at a pop can. So let's see how it goes. Quite nice warm temperature here today, so I guess we will get about max performance from it. So one moment. Outside temperature is nice and warm, about around 24-25 degrees Celsius, which is super nice for being Oslo, Norway in May month. Let's see. I can try single action first. See if there is any difference. 0.2 gram. I only loaded up 10 BBs, so let's see. What? $143. 150. 154. 177. 167. 184. 201. 201. 201. 203. So yeah, let me load up some more BBs and we can put the silencer on. Let's try again. The magazine is full with gas, so that is not a problem. I will load it up the magazine with 0.28 gram. Let's see if it will shoot. Didn't register, but it popped. 130, 142, 158, 158, 161, 163, 181, 184, 192, 187, 188, 189, 187. Starting to get tired. 179, and we're out of ammo. I suspect that I actually get valve lock, because the first shots after you have filled up gas and start shooting, then is very low, maybe to the point where it won't shoot. When you should take a few shots, then the velocity climbs. So best now with 0.28 gram was 192 feet per second or something. Nothing very fast, but yeah, well, I put the magazine in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Just tested. 298 feet per second. 302. So as I suspected, valve lock. Don't use red gas or anything else in these kinds of pistols. 300 feet per second. So nothing wrong with it. Let's try with the silencer. ...350 feet per second. So this is a winter pistol, literally. 333. 334. 330. 329. 329. 328. Guess I have to stick it in the freezer again to get the velocity back up. 340, 341, 330, 322, 333, and we're out of ammo. Okay. So this pistol likes cold. It's the first green gas pistol that I have encountered that does not like warm temperature. Normally when the pressure increases it releases more gas and shoots stronger, but not this pistol. So yeah, kind of cool. Trigger pull isn't that bad either. So I will test it out some more, but maybe wait for the colder temperatures. And now it seems we are out of gas. Yes, now I can press it with my fingers. And after I had it in the freezer, it is ice cold. It uses a whole lot more gas when it is colder. So at colder temperatures you will not get, as I've seen some people get 200 shots. Yes, in the summer maybe, when it releases very little gas. But in the winter time, or when it's colder outside, then maybe you can expect 100 shots from one fill. I don't know. It remains to be seen. Yes. Okay, just want to show you my new airsoft pistol. So hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.